Does anybody have a moment they knew that they loved their person, that they were going to marry that person? Yeah? What was yours?
One of the first nights going out, he spent all night talking about techno.
He spent all night talking about techno to you. Really? How do you talk about techno? So what do you do? That's trans? Okay, what did the beat used to sound like? Into a Uber, the guy like takes a turn too hard and it makes you realize your seatbelt isn't on and you're like, oh, I can't put it on right now. Because in your head, the driver is like, you don't trust my driving, you know? I shouldn't have given that accent. I don't know why I thought that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't even continue that bit anymore. I feel f***ed up right now. No, I can't. I'm done with it. I can't be cute after that. Anyways. Make fun of immigrants and go back to being a silly bitch, you know? Anybody here drive for Uber? Okay, I'm good.
Worst sex ever.
You said worst first sex ever? What made you say that?
We were both very excited, and we both went very quickly.
You both were very excited, and you both went very quickly. Yo, it's only a problem if you went really quickly. If she went quickly, great job. But if you went quickly and then she said she went quickly, she didn't went quickly. You went quickly and then she's super nice about it. You have a barcode. Oh, okay. How much? Yo, what an efficient hooker that would be. Just... That's kind of... Hey, I'm sorry. I assume that's your husband that's not laughing. 30 years. Well, what do you mean? You've been married for 30 years? Holy shit, dude. That's great. Where'd you propose, man? Where'd you propose? He just told me. Whoa, dude. That's f***ing badass. I bet you walk your dog with no leash. Holy shit. What are you doing now? What's up? He's been with you for 8 years of chemo. That's f***ing amazing. Congratulations. And you're in remission, I assume? Yeah? That's awesome. Congrats to you guys. Okay. Well, that's the end of me making fun of both of you. Nice shirt. Yeah, if any of you don't want me to talk to you anymore, be like, just got done with chemo. Why'd you get the barcode? What was that for?
Our son's autistic.
Your son's autistic. Okay, I tried again, and I will now. That's the other thing you can say.
Whoa. Yeah. When you were 12, you said, I'm gonna marry this bitch? He said it. I'm not saying this. He said it. I'm just repeating that guy's word as a 12-year-old? When you were 12?
I was 12.
You were 12. How old are you now? 14. How old are you right now, dude? What?
38.
38. And are you with the same girl you were with when you were 12? Same girl. Except you said at 12 years old, I'm gonna marry this bitch. You said it like that? Just like, I'm gonna marry this bitch. Bling, bling. As soon as social studies is over, I'm gonna marry this f***ing bitch. What do you call her now, man? Your bitch. Oh, Jesus. Katie, can I? No, okay. What's your name, dude? James. Nice to meet you. And what's her name? I don't want to call her that. For real. What's her name?
Vivian.
That's a beautiful name. Start calling her that. Hey, me too, dude. You have anything crazy happen there? I've had so much crazy shit. You have a dog that likes to bite dicks? Really? Just yours after hours? Just you with a handful of peanut butter? I don't know what's wrong with him. This dog is crazy. What kind of dog is it? Really? A golden retriever? Okay, what's the dog's name? Oh, you would know the name. Has he bigger dick? She does not make it. He's like, I ain't gay, bro. It's a girl dog. What does not matter? What a weird correction to make. Marigold, stop. No, he can't. Is it only your dick or is it other people's dicks? And you were like, oh. So like, it's just me? And then has it happened since? Nightly? Quit. You have a dog biting your dick every night and every day you're clocking in like, I hope today's different. That's crazy. You got a dog bite your dick every night. You got tonight off though, yeah? Come here. Are you uncircumcised? Where are my uncircumcised boys at? Hell yeah, dude. You went like this. Just a white guy. That's not even what it looks like. I'm so glad I wore sleeves. Who else engaged you down here, right? You in the front row. You are, but not to her, this person. Okay, who's that? That's your mom. Oh yeah, you can't. Rules are rules. Where is she tonight, dude? She's at home with your son. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. A little late on the proposal. How old's your kid? 3 weeks old. Oh my God. Why are you here? All right. I'm just kidding. Thank you. I'm so sorry. Hey, catch. Me and my mom are out of here. We're going to go watch a little gay clown.
I used to work with dogs. It was very unknown, and the guy taught me the first day. He trained me. He goes, "Hey, just so you know, if you put a finger in a dog's butt, it'll stop biting." Yeah. And I was like, "All right, man, but just so you know, that's not just dogs. That's what everybody thinks." I bet, man. I'd be willing to bet if you put your finger in anyone's butt, they're gonna stop whatever they're doing. You put a finger in my butt, I'm gonna put my phone down, at least. I'm gonna look you in the eyes and be like, why are you doing this? There's your body in my body right now. Hell yeah. What did you drop everything?
Yes.
That's okay, you can pick it up. All right. Cool. I'm gonna get back to work. You guys together? His arm is around you, dude. His arm is around you, and you're like, ah! You're dating, right? Okay, cool. I'm sorry I brought it up. Oh my God. I read the body language so wrong, apparently. You guys were like making out, and I'm like, oh, do you like each other? And she's like, what the f*** is with the Inquisition?
Are you guys together? Yeah, wow, that's pretty easy. I am just jealous, that's all, because I ran into my ex this summer on a bicycle. That's not how I wanted to do. What? Did she die? No. Did you think that anybody else had that question in their head? I've never regretted saying hi to somebody so much. Oh, you dropped your purse? Let me help you. And she's like, all right, I guess I work here now. Get a hold on her, whatever she is to you. Shut your sister up. Can I do my first joke, please? So, my ex-girlfriend died recently. Who else ride? Anybody ride a bike here? You do? What kind of bike?
Yeah, we're Dutch.
You're Dutch? What the does that mean? Yeah, we're Dutch, dude. We were born with a tricycle in our hand. Is that a thing? The Dutch?
Yeah.
Really?
I have 2 bikes.
You have 2 bikes. Okay. What the Is that a thing? Is that your racist thing? You know? Like, oh, Dutch probably got a bunch of bikes in the garage. Those biking Dutch. That sounded bad, didn't it? Wow, that's great. How long did it take you guys to bike here? Like, for real? That's insane. Because you know the Dutch. That's so crazy. You guys ride bikes? Yeah, we're Dutch, face. Starting off some Shaggy. Oh, what do you mean? In the bathroom? No. I had an Uber ride recently. It was an hour long. The dude played Shaggy. I was fine with it. But then the 4th song came on, and I'm like, oh, this is a CD. All right, this is boombastic, dude. And I got to listen to the 99 album the whole way there. Just an hour and a half of Shaggy. And he's great, but he's a jack-in-the-box of R&B. Every song he starts off with someone delicate, like Rick Rock, to get you into it. And then he pops it out of nowhere and scares the shit out of you. It's always like, girl, you're my angel, you're my darling. And I don't wanna go, like, dude, I know the song, I just forgot he's in there. I forgot when he pops out, man.